Now today we discuss what is the image formation in concave lens. Concave lens is usually diverging lens. This is the principal axis x dash. This is optic center. Here second focus f2 is the left side and first focus is at right side. Here focus is virtual. Now we have to cut object this side of the lens. Now there are only two positions, only at infinite and very in front of the lens. But in case of a convex lens, there are 6 positions for keeping the object. Here f2 means we have not, this is not meant for object. So there are only two possibilities, only at the infinity and second one is in front of the lens. First we have to keep the formula, table formula. First column is object position. Second column is image position. Third column is nature of the image. Fourth column is uses of different positions of the object. Here only two possibilities are there. First one is your object is at infinity. Number 2 is in front of the lens. In previous case I have told that if object is infinity then image is at focus. Here focus means second focus. So image will be formed at f2 if object is at infinity. Then when it is in front of the lens, then image will be formed between focus and optical center. Between focus and optic center. Nature of the image, here all the image nature is virtual when object is real, as like in plane mirror, object nature is virtual. That means image is formed at the same sides of the object. As nature of the image is virtual, then it will be erect. Erect means upright, means straight. Here is also erect image, and this is size of image is highly diminished. Here is diminished. Now we have to keep in memory the uses of the image when object is kept at infinity and in front of the lens. As image is highly diminished, upright and high virtual, it can be used in Galilean telescope. Here image is virtual, erect and diminished. That means image size increases from position 1 to position 2. It can be used in myopic disease. Myopic disease means short-sightedness. Short-sightedness problem, these positions can be rectified by using the concave lens. Now we have to practice the ray diagram. First point, object is at infinite. Object is at infinite. There are two possible sub-diagrams are there. One is very simple diagram. Draw a concave lens. Then draw the principal axis x dash, and it is optic center. This is the object is at infinity means incident rays are parallel to each other, and these parallel rays are parallel to the principal axis. Now as it is diverging in nature, it will appears to come from the second focus. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis means the refracted ray appears to come from the second focus. This is f2, obviously this one will be 2f2, this side it is f1 and this is 2f1. Object is kept infinite, image is formed at the second focus, and its use is Galilean telescope. Now another diagram is it for and distance. Image is in a distant of image. That means as like in convex lens, here also we can put, this is the principal axis, this is the optic center. Now the incident rays are parallel to each other. First you should draw the incident ray with making an oblique nature passing through the optic center. First to imagine that image is formed at focus, second focus. First you draw the image, virtual and erect image. This one is image. Now what happens? Another ray we have to draw. Parallel to this incident ray. That means object is from infinity. And as it is approach to the first focus, so it should be parallel to the principal axis. These two rays really does not meet each other, appears to meet at the second focus. Here F1, this one is 2F1 and this one is 2F2. Object is at infinity and image is at the second focus. Image nature is virtual, erect and diminished. Now second position diagram is object is at in front of the lens. In front of the lens. First to draw the concave lens. This diagram is very easy. X and X dash principal axis, optic center. This one is your F2 and this one is your 2F2. Now you put the object here. Put the object here, very in front of the lens. Object should be large in size because nature of the image is diminished. Object AB is here. First to draw the incident ray passing through the optic center, remains undeviated. Then another ray parallel to this principal axis. Single arrow mark, double arrow mark, just to distinguish two rays. According to principle, if the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then it will appears to come from the second focus. These two rays does not really meet each other, they appears to meet from this point. So this is your image A dash and B dash. Then you can verify the nature of the image is in between optic center and the second focus. Nature is virtual, erect and diminished. Diminished means size of the image is small with comparison to size of the object. Now these two diagrams and previous class in convex lens 6 diagrams you do practice in your paper, then you solve the exercise. Thank you.